Hi guys. First of all, thanks a lot for all the support I've been getting on this channel. A lot of people have recommended me to make more videos, so that's what I'm doing today. So this video is about two appliances. I did not buy these appliances. These were gifted to my bhaiya and bhabhi back in February when they had their wedding. So these are the two products we'll be unboxing today. So the reason I wanted to make this video is because Diwali is right around the corner, and we all know how bad smog can get. Like if any of you were out and about during Karwa Chauth, you can tell कि बहुत ज़्यादा smog हो गई है. चांद दिखने में रात के 10 बजे तक वेट करना पड़ रहा है. तो let's see what these air purifiers can do and if they can actually make our life a little better. So let's start with the Mi air purifier. I think I might need to use two hands for this. Okay, that's pretty cool. So this is how the air purifier looks. I hope मैं landscape mode में दिखा रही था, and अभी भी landscape mode में हूँ. इसके अगर हम आए, ये इसका ऑन ऑफ बटन होगा. I'm guessing कोई as such IO नहीं है क्योंकि ये कंप्यूटर नहीं है, बस एक एयर प्योरीफायर है. हम इस साइड जाएं तो यहाँ पे फिल्टर जो चेंज होता है इसका काफ़ी बेसिक सा सेटअप लग रहा है ये. लेट्स टर्न इट ऑन. सो गाइस, मैंने इसे जैसे ही प्लग इन करा, इट ऑटोमेटिकली टर्न ऑन एंड दिस शोज द air pollution index right there. So 200, which is not very good to be honest, but I've seen much worse. It says कि अभी temperature क्या हो रहा है. It shows 50%, which I don't know what 50% is क्योंकि ये battery powered तो नहीं है. This is cable powered. So I'll have to read in the thing what is. Oh. अच्छा, I guess अभी on हुआ है. काफ़ी लाउड इसका फ़ैन होता है, काफ़ी लाउड. इतना भी फन नहीं है इसको अगर आप रात को सोना चाहते हैं इसको लगा के. काफ़ी लाउड. आई होप यू कैन हियर दैट. काफ़ी लाउड फैन है इसका. So guys, I've just gone through the manual and set up this air purifier. So I'll tell you a bit about this display. This is an OLED display, so it doesn't really disturb you at night. It's not that bright. This right here is the air quality index. It's not functioning right now. This purifier is turned off, so that's why this is the value in Delhi at 9 p.m. today. This tells you the temperature. It's 25 degrees Celsius. This 55% is for the humidity in the air, and this is the mode it is in. Right now it's in sleep mode because it's not functioning. If I press this button, it goes to single fan mode. This is double the speed. This is triple. It gets super loud when it gets to here. This mode means that it is going to use the mobile app, and the last mode is the auto mode, which I usually leave it on. So guys, इसकी packaging comparatively काफ़ी बड़ी है compared to the other one. इसका ब्रांड यहाँ पे लिखा है डाइसन करके 69 लॉल्स. ये काफ़ी रिस्की लग रहा है, तो मैं इसके प्लास्टिक नहीं. लेट्स ट्राई वन हैंडेड अनबॉक्सिंग. चलो यार, ये तो लेट मी जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड गाइस. आई जस्ट कट दिस ओपन. सो गाइस, आई हैव ओपन दिस अप. ये तो कुछ इंटेंस ही चीज़ है गाइस. आई डोंट थिंक ये एक एयर प्योरीफायर है. लुक से तो नहीं लग रहा, बट लेट्स चेक इट आउट. So guys, as you can see, this thing is huge compared to the Mi air purifier right over there. This looks pretty futuristic. It looks like, a space tunnel to go through. I can't imagine this product being cheap whatsoever. Let's open it up. The Ellen DeGeneres का male version. I have no idea how I'm gonna get this out. This looks way too intense. Let me just zoom out for a bit. Looks huge. Right over here you can find the remote. The packaging is really well done, to be honest. Even this remote feels really nice. Let's put this in. Let's take this out. काफी well packaged है. I doubt anything will happen to it in transport even. Caution, attach carbon filters before use. So I guess इसमें कुछ setup process extra होता है before we can actually use it. I'm guessing इसके अंदर होंगे carbon filters. Yes, looks like it. उन्होंने काफ़ी सारे दिए हैं और फिर अच्छा, this is one half of the carbon filter and so there are two halves of it. This is the second half. So let's just combine these two. I hope you can see from here. You can barely see through them. It looks like there's someone's hair inside it if you look closely. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but काफी lighting भी कम है इधर. It looks like काफी सारे किसी के बाल लगाए हुए हैं. Let's join these two together. I guess you don't have to join them. Give me 1 second, guys. So guys, basically you have to find these two buttons right over here and here. You press them and this comes out. This is basically a basic air filter, same as you find in your car. Then what you do is you take these two and you fit them right inside here. And with that, your air purifier, once again, this is correct. Your air purifier should be ready to go. So let's turn it on. मैंने पावर ऑन कर दिया है. आई गेस इसके रिमोट से हमें ऑन करना पड़ेगा. So guys, somehow ये जो आप कटआउट देख रहे हैं, this is where the actual air comes out of ice, I guess. ये I hope you can see it. There's a gap, so अंदर कुछ हवा नहीं आती. It's all about this slight cutout. यहाँ से is the intake. इसका filter भी is down there, and you know, it's much more quiet, I have to admit. And one other feature it has is that you can control the temperature. So I can put this on 30 right now. So AC वाला काम कराना है. So that can be done since it is hot plus cool. So अभी वैसे winter का मौसम है, so we won't really be using this feature much. I wonder if we can turn off the cooling altogether. Okay, so if this button turns off the cooling, इसी तरह मैं बाकी buttons की बात करूँ तो this would be swing. Oh, so it is swinging, but rather than ये अपने आप नहीं घूमता, इंस्टेड जो हवा का डायरेक्शन होता है ये ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज कर रहा है. दिस इज प्रीटी कूल, वेरी कूल, आई मस्ट से. एंड और क्या कर सकते हैं? दिस ऑल्सो इज मूविंग स्लाइटली, आई सी. डब्बा जितना बड़ा था उतना बड़ा तो ये नहीं है, बट I would still say this is quite a big, and For some reason it is crooked right now. I hope I didn't break it in the unboxing, but I'm pretty sure that's just something I can fix. So guys, that's my review of the Mi Air Purifier 3 and the Dyson Pure Hot and Cool. If I were to buy any of these for myself, I'd probably get this one. This is just an air purifier and that's all I want. Also, there was no assembling required, which is nice, and it is only for less than 10,000 rupees. So that is a big plus point, and I think it's a good investment, especially if you live in North India where the pollution is really bad. This, I can't imagine who would actually, buy this. This was a gift my bhaiya and bhabhi got on their wedding. So that's pretty cool. Like, whoever got this gift, thank you so much. But like, I think it's a little excessive. Unless you don't have an air conditioner and you need something that does both, you should probably just go with this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.